Have you ever pondered the shape of our planet? Is it as round as an apple or as flat as a pancake? This question may seem simple, but the answer is anything but. The shape of our world has been a topic of debate and fascination for centuries, sparking curiosity and intrigue in every corner of the globe. Two primary schools of thought have emerged over time. The first and most widely accepted is the spherical Earth theory. This perspective, backed by centuries of scientific observation and evidence, posits that our planet is a round, spinning sphere hurtling through space. The second, more controversial school of thought is the flat Earth theory. This perspective, though less popular, has a fervent following of believers who challenge the mainstream spherical model, arguing instead for a flat, disc-like Earth. As we delve into the depths of this debate, keep an open mind and remember that the aim is to ignite thought, not to ridicule beliefs. The round Earth theory, the one most of us learned in school, has been around since the ancient Greeks. It's astonishing, isn't it? This theory is supported by a wealth of scientific evidence. Let's delve into a few of these compelling points. Firstly, we have numerous photos taken from space that clearly show our planet as a beautiful blue sphere. These images are not only breathtaking but also serve as undeniable proof of our planet's roundness. Next, let's consider how gravity works. Sir Isaac Newton's universal law of gravitation tells us that every particle of matter in the universe attracts every other particle with a force that is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. In simpler terms, gravity pulls everything towards the center, which results in a spherical shape, the very shape of our Earth. Finally, an everyday observable phenomenon: the way ships disappear over the horizon. A ship sailing away from the shore appears to sink into the sea, starting from the hull and eventually even the top of the mast, due to the curvature of the Earth. There's also an overwhelming scientific consensus supporting the round Earth theory. The overwhelming majority of scientists, after rigorous study and experimentation, have concluded that the Earth is indeed round. The evidence for a round Earth is overwhelming, but what about those who beg to differ? Let's explore the other side of the coin. Now, let's turn the tables and look into the flat Earth theory, a concept that has gained traction in recent years. For those who subscribe to this theory, the world as we know it is not a rotating sphere but a flat plane, an idea that seems to challenge everything we've learned about Earth's geometry. One of the main arguments put forth by flat Earth proponents is the perception of a flat horizon. They say, if the Earth were round, shouldn't the horizon curve rather than appearing flat? Another argument often made is a deep-seated distrust of space agencies. Some flat earthers believe that organizations such as NASA are part of a grand conspiracy to hide the truth about the shape of the Earth. This skepticism extends to satellite images and manned space missions, which they claim are either manipulated or entirely fabricated. However, it's essential to note the lack of scientific consensus in support of the flat Earth theory. Most scientists agree that the Earth is round, a conclusion backed by centuries of astronomical observations and modern technology. Yet the flat Earth theory persists, fueled by a blend of skepticism and a longing for alternative explanations. The flat Earth theory certainly gives us food for thought, but what does it all boil down to? Let's explore further in our next scene. So, we've taken a look at both sides of this intriguing debate. Where does this leave us? The flat Earth theory, once widely accepted, has been replaced in the popular consciousness by a spherical model, backed by centuries of scientific evidence. However, the flat Earth theory still holds sway over a number of people, reflecting a deep-seated skepticism towards mainstream science. The spherical Earth theory, on the other hand, enjoys widespread acceptance, backed by a wealth of empirical data from various scientific disciplines. It is viewed as one of the fundamental truths of our understanding of the universe. Yet, despite all the evidence pointing towards a spherical Earth, the debate continues in some circles. This serves as a reminder that belief is a powerful thing. It shapes our perception of the world and can sometimes defy even the most compelling evidence. At the end of the day, the shape of the Earth is a matter of perspective. And as we've seen today, perspectives can vary widely.